Welcome back, ladies and gents. I got some meme coin alpha for you guys. I got some meme coins here that can possibly do 100x on your money, guys. I'm personally invested in 2 out of 3 of these. They're doing major bounces right now, but man, oh man, these are some good prices, guys. Probably to dollar cost average. Without further ado, I'm going to dive directly into these meme coins, show you guys what I think that they're going to do, where they're at on the chart, how much I bought of each one. If that sounds good, smash that like button because I'm about to dive right into this. Will not waste any of your time. Stick around because this is going to be an action-packed episode. First one that I'm going to mention here is PP the Cat. I used to mention this one on the channel. We definitely made a lot of money off of PP the Cat. I've been out of PP the Cat for quite a long time, guys. PP the Cat here today literally went all the way down to 8 cents. We've been waiting for this thing to hit a level below 10 cents for a long time. It finally hit it, and then in just a matter of hours, what is that? About 10 hours, this thing did a 3x, guys. Totally insane. Definitely a strong community that actually cares about this thing. It went from 8 cents all the way back up to 27 cents. We sold this thing at a high of 88 cents. Me and my fiance were selling this thing. We unloaded our bags. We reloaded this thing. I got some at 9 cents. I got some at 11 cents, some at 14 cents, and then we just unloaded a little bit at 27, waiting for it to come back down a little bit. We're here at 18 cents. Love to see it back in this area. Maybe it can pull back down here a little bit. I don't know if you're going to get it back at 8 cents, but if you do get it back at 8 cents, I would say that that's a fantastic buying opportunity, especially the fact that you did a 3x in less than a half of a day, guys. If you guys don't know how powerful 3x is, $1,000 would already be worth $3,000. You guys could have took all that money, took a $2,000 profit in just a matter of hours, guys. That is huge, guys. PP the Cat, 196K market cap right now, 700 holders. Nice deck score, 49 deck score. The only thing that's low is the pool right here. The pool's 37K, which is reasonable for a project with about that market cap. If you guys don't know, Eartha is like a multi-million-dollar market cap with less liquidity locked than this. So this is not that bad. It really isn't that bad, but it could be better. It could improve over time. The audits are completely secure. There's no buy and sell checks. It's not a honeypot. The contract is verified. If you look in here, the audit checks check out perfectly. 10 votes, 100% upvoted. I definitely think this one has the potential to blow, guys. Definitely check out the holder count in here. You guys can look at the holder count and look at this right here. What do we got? Radium is the top wallet right here. I believe that this might be an exchange wallet as well. So you're looking like the highest holders right here. These people hold about that much of this token here, about 3%. So the centralization it's kind of centralized. I mean, like, you know, you got decent amount in the top 10 wallets here. I would be aware of that, guys. But this thing only has 1 million tokens in supply, which is amazingly scarce. If you guys don't know, I mean, like, Bitcoin has 21 million in supply. This only has 1 million in supply. Bitcoin's at 45,000 or 43,000. This is at 17 cents. So I'm not saying that it couldn't do Bitcoin. I mean, like, but it's a meme coin, and meme coins do fantastic things, guys. So keep that in mind. With PP the Cat there, check out the website on PP the Cat. I mean, the website's pretty fire. It looks very cool in there. They got Lamborghinis. They have Andrew Tate on their website. Pretty awesome, guys. So that's PP the Cat for you guys. Diving into number 2, we made a ton of money off of this one too back in the day. I used to mention this one on the channel as well. We have Egg Dog, guys. Egg Dog. I did not sell this one. I accumulated. I have about $800 worth. I was accumulating throughout this entire run here. This green bar. I'm part of this green bar right here, guys. We're at a 3 million market cap, which might seem high, but you got to compare this to other meme coins. Like, let me load this up here. You know, like, compare this to something like Myro, Bonk, Pepe. You know, we're not even saying like compare it to Dogecoin. Dogecoin used to be what we compare things to. Now, if you wanted to look, I mean, like, oh my gosh, this thing is slow. Yeah, guys. What is it? Oh, I refreshed it again. Yeah, anyway, Egg Dog is a fantastic token. We've got 9,000 holders in here, an 86 deck score, 100% upvotes over 116 people. The audits are fully secure. There's no buy and sell tax at all. It's not a honeypot. The contract is verified, and these are like 99s across the board except for the transaction history, which there's a lot of transactions, a lot of volume. So that is going to work its way up over time, guys. Circulating supply. 979 million right there. So what is that? That's almost a billion tokens that you have in full supply. It's fully diluted already, guys. Total market cap 3.18 million. That's amazing that it's fully diluted. That means your tokens are not going to lose value based on more tokens coming into the market. Still struggling to load Myro. 49 million. There you guys go. 49 million on Myro right now. Eggdog is at a 3 million. What is that? That's like a 15x to get to where Myro is now, and Myro got creamed, guys. Myro was way up here. Myro was worth almost 5 times what it's worth right now, guys. So what is that? What did we just say that was? 15x times 5, so a 75x for Eggdog to get to the all-time high of where Myro was. But we're thinking long-term. If you guys are holding this long-term as like your meme coin for the bull run, that's what I'm doing here with Eggdog. Eggdog is going to be my #1 meme coin for the bull run. I'd love to see it drop back below not 3 cents, 0.3. I'd love to drop below 3 here again and pick up more. We rode this thing a couple of times. Guys. If you guys looked back here, we rode this thing on this first pump up here. We got in like around this area. This is the pump that we got in. We made $9,000 profit off of this thing on this first run right here. This first run up was like 200 some percent. We made that money off of that one right there. Also, this thing went from 16 cents. It did a whole another 10x right here, pretty much another 10x. So really, you know, that's what we're lining up for again. One big run, one big run, one big run. I know it looks like it's actually coming down and it's dying, but this low was lower than this low here. So if this low holds and it starts going up, and by the way, I mean, like we're in like a bleedy type of the market right now, right? So with Bitcoin trading sideways the way that it is, these meme coins lose value over time because people are losing community sentiment, and that's the only thing that drives meme coins is community sentiment, right? So if people are bearish on the market altogether, they're more likely to sell a token like a meme coin and not hold on to it, especially smart money, whales and such. So that is why you're getting these prices right now. Of course, this is risky. This is a gamble, and none of this is financial advice, guys. This can completely go to zero. You guys can get screwed over completely. But also, this probably holds more upside potential than nearly every other coin. Think about it. I mean, the 100x is only a 300 million market cap, guys. 300 million. I mean, it might seem like a lot. That might seem like a lot, but let's compare this to Pepe. Pepe is a 389 million market cap. So, like, literally, this thing could do, what is that? Oh, my gosh. I don't know, like a 125x. This would be 125x to get to where Pepe is right now. And let's look at Pepe. Pepe went all the way up there. Pepe was worth like 4 times the price that Pepe is worth now. So that would say that's about a 300x for this Eggdog to get to the all-time high of Pepe. And I'm not saying that it will. But I'm just saying the potential. I'm giving you guys the potential of what this thing can actually do long term. This one is listed on CoinMarketCap. The other two I don't believe are. Come on. I'm fucking it all up, guys. Hopefully you guys didn't leave. Anyway, smash that like button if you're getting value. This is what we got right here. I actually have a little bit more than this. I picked up a little bit more than this. Solana, these are Solana meme coins, so very cheap to get into these. Like I said, it's fully diluted already, which is absolutely fantastic right here. If you guys actually looked at the website over here, it's a fire website, eggdogsoul.com. You guys can go check that out. It's just an egg that is also a dog. There you go. Dog is egg. Jupiter, Radium, Bitmart, Poloniex, and XT.com. That is where you guys can pick this up right now. I've been picking it up on Radium. You guys could even just trade it in your Solflare wallet. If you have a little bit of a balance and the Solflare wallet knows that it's in there, it'll use an aggregator and you can actually just trade it right in your wallet. You don't even have to go to any of these, but I don't recommend that because I think that you actually get skimped a little bit on tokens. So you guys could do this on either Bird Eye or Radium. Of course, you could do it there too. I don't use Jupiter though. Wish that I did, so I would have got in on a big airdrop. But they blocked my IP address was the problem. When they blocked my IP address, I wasn't able to do it at all. So it's on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, and StockTwits. So it's searchable. People could find it. About Eggdog, super cute and quirky internet meme that's shaped like an egg but has the heart of a dog. It first appeared in a video titled Meet Eggdog by YouTuber Zamrai back in March 2019. So this meme's been around for a long time. This is a 5-year-old meme. Very, very OG meme right here. quickly won over the internet with its unique charm. Eggdog is known for its fun antics like stretching super high into the air or breaking into a happy dance. It's all about spreading positivity, excitement, and love for baguettes and strawberries. And guess what? Eggdog has even made its way into the crypto world with its own token on the Solana blockchain. How exciting is that? So there you guys go. Eggdog tokenomics, zero tax, contract renounced. LP is burnt. So this means they cannot rug you per se. But according to this, they cannot rug you. And according to this, there is no buy and sell tax. So you guys are solid on there. And like I said, the audit was done. So that when they do the audit, one of the things that they check in audits is if the contract is modifiable. Tax modifiable, no. Transfer possible, let's don't have that. Mintable, no. You know what this means, guys? They can't change this. They can't raise the tax on you guys. Scam risk undetected. A lot of these tokens that we look at have scam risks, right, guys? So right here, I mean, like, this is very good. Very, very good. I'm happy about that. Very awesome. I guess that's what I have for you guys with Eggdog. Look at that, Eggdog NFTs. Oh, that's pretty cool. Nice. They got NFTs now. I don't think they had that back when I was invested in it before. Memes, look at that. Pretty awesome. They got a lot of cool looking things. And these are all like different memes that they probably have surfacing all over the internet. You drop this, the Eggdog. But there you guys go. I mean, look at, there's Andrew Tate with the Eggdog right there. Pretty sick. They have that same thing, Andrew Tate, on the PP the Cat one, I believe. Look at, they got the Mona Lisa here. Check out their Telegrams, their Twitters, check everything out. Check everything out. Do all your own research before you buy this, because I'm not a financial advisor. And I'm not responsible for your losses, guys, okay? All right, that's Eggdog. We're going to close up Eggdog, PP the Cat, Eggdog. And last but not least, we have Bird. Bird token, BURRD. RRRD. 1.6 million market cap, 7,000 holders, 86 deck score. Everything is fire with this as well. 33 votes, all 100% up votes. That's pretty sick. I like that. Good to see. And by the way, I didn't show you guys the centralization of Eggdog. Nobody on Eggdog holds more than 1%. There's nobody in Eggdog with more than 1%. How's this one doing, though? I believe that these two, this is an exchange wallet, Radium, and I believe that this is either an owner wallet or an exchange wallet. It's probably an owner's wallet. I mean, I guess that's not as safe as you guys might wonder, so be careful with this one. He holds $73,000 worth, and then these will all be like your regular holders right here. I'd beware with these ones too, because when they have a set amount like this, typically that's something that was distributed within the contract, meaning like this plus this and this could be like 5 billion of their tokens. 5 billion out of the 65 billion could be held by the owners of the token, and that's not to say that there's not more going forward down here. You see they have certain amounts right here. Typically they do that when they make a contract. They'll do that right there and just throw all that stuff in the mix. Yeah, guys, but this is, anything in crypto is risky, quite honestly. What do we have here? Everything is pretty solid with this one right here. Where was the all-time high of this bad boy right here? It was all the way up there. It was about that's about a 6x to go back to the all-time high that we just saw on the 19th of January. What would that be? That's about 14 days. So about 2 weeks they had that all-time high. And check it out. Higher highs going up, and then look at higher highs going up. So this is a higher high than this one, showing strength in the token. This is holding up above here and above here, so this shows higher lows as well. Typically, you know, that indicates an uptrend, guys. So this thing is still in an uptrend, even though it's in a short-term downtrend. So effectively what you're looking for is this thing to kind of just break over this trend line right here. If you see this thing start to blast through this trend line, you guys will actually have a solid opportunity here for gains, really. I mean, and this is not financial advice. I am not invested in Bird yet. I'm looking at an entry in Bird. If we wanted to look at a shorter time frame here, this thing did have a huge run up. It's actually coming down nicely right now, so we're back almost in the buy territory. This was going a bit too high when I first looked at it. I'm looking to get into this thing at a good price. This is a pretty solid price to dive into this thing, but beware of the token allocation. Because of the way that it looks like the owners might hold a lot of these tokens. You guys want to be careful with that. You know, Eggdog, if you wanted to compare it to Eggdog, the centralization, Eggdog's centralization is way better, guys. So that's what you guys want to be careful for. If you guys pulled open the transaction scan here for Eggdog. As you look at Eggdog, the Radium and MEXC are the only two that hold more than 1%. Everybody else in here is holding less. In Huo, I don't know if that's Huobi or what. It might just be a regular wallet right there. But as you can see, I mean, like these are all random amounts, random numbers. There's no real set amounts that that would set off an indication that this is like holders' wallets. Like something like this would look like it was distributed by the owner. Everything else is pretty, like this one could be distributed by the owner, but then again, also normal people want to just buy in and have set amounts of tokens as well too. I know I do that. If I have like 6.4 million tokens, I'll get rid of the 4 and just have 6 million tokens flat, guys. So that's what you're looking at right there, guys. Eggdog is probably the best one out of all 3 of them because it's well recognized and it also is more distributed than Bird. PP the Cat is obviously going to be maybe your biggest degen bet. If you guys are looking to go heavy degen, this one's only 174K market cap with less holders. Things coming down nicely now. Like I said, I don't know if you're going to get back here. It sucks. I wish I would have been able to have time to make a video, but that doesn't stay for very long. I barely had time to buy in before this thing started taking off, but I'm happy to bring it to you guys at 17 cents rather than bringing it to you guys at 27 cents. I never want you guys to buy the top of a pump. I don't buy the top of a pump. I don't expect you to do that neither. Do all your own research and then be prepared to buy when you see good prices. This, I say, is probably a fair price. Like I said, I sold this thing at 88 cents. I sold some at 55 cents. It went to an all-time high of like $1.20, guys. So this thing's like a 9x from its all-time high right here. About a 9x from the all-time high. If you guys were to look at this bad boy right here, we're looking about that much, 573% from its all-time high. What is that? That is like a 6x. That's maybe a 6.7x or a 5.7x. I think it's a 6.7x. So almost a whole 7x that you guys have just to get to the all-time high. And the all-time high we would say was at what is that? 1.14 million market cap is where the high was of this thing. So, you know, while you're looking at Bird, which is already over $1 million market cap, look at PP, which is way under $1 million market cap. And this thing, like, look at, you know, you got prices here that you haven't seen since this thing come out. Like this thing, you know, I was buying it at 6 cents originally. When I rode that thing all the way to 88 cents, I had bought in at like 6 cents and held that puppy. I was completely out of it until recently when I saw this thing get cheap again, right? So now we're cheap again. That's why I'm recommending it. If it gets expensive again, you're not going to see me recommend it again. But, you know, if you're thinking long term, if you're holding it long term, these can all be cheap prices. It's more so picking a coin that you think has the community value that it's going to go long term, right? Like you want something that's going to live long term. Can this live long term? Perhaps. Perhaps it could. Eggdog, I really think has the potential to live long term. It already has 9,000 holders and almost always has almost 9, 10, 7,000. I think it had a top of like 16,000 holders. So the holder centralization or decentralization, you know, like definitely getting more holders is very important. That's why this is more degen, because you don't have as many holders here. And if you looked at this, you know, you guys are looking at some people holding a decent amount of this token right here, guys. So beware of that if you guys are going to try to pick this up. And look at 25,000, 25,000, 35,000. So these could be owners' wallets here that have a lot of tokens in them. And if this thing hits crazy prices, they may decide that they're going to unload those tokens, which at the end of the day, we're talking, how many is that? That's like 85,000 tokens out of the top 10 wallets. Oh, you know, what is that? I mean, that's like 8% of the supply that will just literally bleed right out of the project, 9% or something, if these people decided to fully sell out. So keep that in mind. Beware of that. But I think that's all I have for you guys today. I don't believe that PP the Cat made it to any actual websites. Is it ppthecat.com? Real quick before I let you guys go, ppthecat.com. Let's see if the website actually, there it is. PP the Cat. There you go. Say hello to Pepe's cat. This is Pepe's cat, guys. This is why this thing is a good meme. This is why it holds potential, because it not only is it piggybacking off of the pet memes, like how Eggdog is a dog meme, this is a cat meme, but this is Pepe's cat. So you're looking at that too, is the fact that this thing holds some value because it could be somewhat linked to Pepe. If Pepe pumps really hard, people will relate this to Pepe. Unibot PP. And not only that, I mean, like PP, people would be like, I made lots of money off of PP, you know, like immature children, because it sounds like, you know what it sounds like, PP, you know what I mean? But anyway, look at all the socials, check everything out, Telegram, Twitter. Actually, I'll pull open the Twitter. I'm really curious if they're actually active in here. January 11th, January 17th, January 18th. So yeah, so they are fairly active. The 19th, 16th. So yeah, they're here. They're definitely here. You know, this is like this within the past month. They've been talking about this thing consistently here. 16th, sold NFTs are sold out. December 31st, January 17th. What is the thing? Back to my, I love that cruise up. Yeah, okay. So that's where I'll leave it for you guys. Check all this stuff out for yourself. See if you guys like any of these meme coins. If you guys want to become a meme coin millionaire in this cycle, these are 3 mega small meme coins. They're gambles, of course they're gambles, but everything in crypto is. People that were betting on Dogecoin when it was like 0.000007 cents, they were gambling on that. They gambled on that, and now Dogecoin is still at like 9 cents. So they're still up like 10,000x or 5,000x or something from their initial investment. And Dogecoin, I know, is an exception, but it all starts somewhere. Pepe started somewhere, Myro started somewhere, Bonk started somewhere. Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, you know, the list goes on. There's endless amounts of memes that have made people filthy rich, and the whole thing is picking them early. You have to pick them early before they absolutely explode. So that's what we're here doing. Showing you guys meme coins early ones before they explode or could explode. Who knows if they will explode? I'm going to hope that they do. I'm going to hold them, especially Eggdog, and hope that they do. If I can get PP the Cat back at like 12 cents, I'm going to buy a lot. Like, I'll probably buy thousands of dollars of PP the Cat at 12 cents because to me, that's an instant 10x or like 1,000x if this thing actually takes off because the market cap is so ridiculously small. If I get it at 12 cents, it's almost 100K market cap, which, you know, a 10x would just put it back at the 1 million market cap that it was at, guys. So that's what I have for you guys. Subscribe to the channel if you want more videos like this, because I'm going to keep bringing them. I know I took a couple days off here. Things have been going on at home, but I can't leave you guys in the dirt. I want to show you guys these coins before they all explode. You know, I don't know what's going to happen to Bitcoin in the short term. Bitcoin might go to 35K. We might skip 35K. The bottom might be in. We might go to 45K. If we break over 45K, we might be heading to all-time highs. Obviously, it's not going to happen overnight, but when this does happen, the whole market's going to be bullish. If Bitcoin pumps, Solana's going to pump. If Solana pumps, the Solana meme coins are going to pump. And keep that in mind, guys. You guys don't want to miss this. You know what I mean? But diversify well. Don't dump all your money into one meme coin. Don't dump all your money into meme coins in general, guys. That's all I can say. But definitely good luck out there trading. I hope you guys got value. Thanks so much for joining in, and have an amazing day. Take care.